Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2014 Ford Focus and I will show you which fuse to check in case your power mirrors are not working. This video should apply to Ford Focuses made from 2011 all the way up to 2018. Now I know in 2015 there was a facelift, but the location of the fuse should still be the same. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. The fuse you want to check will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the driver's side right here. Now to remove this cover, there is a black tab. You want to pull it up. And once you remove the cover, on the back side of the cover you have a small fuse diagram. And this red piece, this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. And the fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number F25, which is a 10 amp red fuse located right here. Now if this fuse proves to be good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. You'll have to look into power mirrors switch or a possible wiring issue. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.